If you've ever felt overwhelmed by money apps, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by thinking finance has to be complicated. The surprising truth about Main Street Money in 2026 is that simplicity is its biggest strength. Main Street Money is a personal finance platform built for everyday users. It combines budgeting, spending tracking, and basic financial guidance in one easy-use app. From the start, it focuses on clarity rather than customization overload. The budgeting system automatically categorizes spending and highlights patterns you might not notice. For example, users often discover recurring expenses they forgot existed. You won't believe how quickly these small leaks add up over time. One helpful feature is its monthly money snapshot. Instead of flooding you with charts, it summarizes what went well, what didn't, and what can improve next month. This keeps users engaged without guilt or pressure. Main Street Money also offers short educational insights tied to real actions. When spending increases in one area, the app explains why it matters and suggests simple adjustments. The downside is limited flexibility for advanced users. You can't deeply customize categories or integrate complex financial accounts. In conclusion, Main Street Money in 2026 is still worth it for beginners or anyone who wants a clear, calm way to manage everyday finances. If straightforward money tools appeal to you, hit subscribe for more reviews like this.